In fourth grade, we have to divide bigger dividends by one-digit divisors. So our strategy is to line up our horizontal division problem into a vertical division problem. We do that by drawing a house. The dividend goes in the house, 81 goes in the house, and your divisor 3 goes outside of the house. This strategy is called the Big 7 because you're going to take the other side and draw a vertical line down so it looks like the big number 7. All right, this strategy is easiest when you work with friendly numbers to multiply with, like 100, 10, 5, 2, and 1. What I'm going to do is repeated subtraction, so subtracting 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But if I just subtract 3 each time, that's going to take me a really long time. So to do it more efficiently, I'm going to subtract 3 in equal groups. So first I'm going to see which friendly number I want to multiply 3 by. If I do 3 times 100, I'll be subtracting 300. I can't take 300 away from 81, so I'm going to go with 10. On the outside of the 7, I'm going to write times 10. 3 times 10 is 30, and then I'm going to subtract. I just did repeated subtraction, but instead of subtracting 3 repeatedly, I subtracted 3 10 times in one move. So here I'm going to have 51. 81 minus 30 is 51. Now I'm going to see what I can subtract this time. I can't do times 100, but I can do times 10 again. So I'm going to put that times 10 on the outside. 3 times 10 is 30. I'll subtract, and now I'm at 21. Again, I did repeated subtraction, but instead of doing minus 3, 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 and minus 3 10 times, I just multiplied it by 10 so I could subtract it in one move. Now I could finish the problem in one move knowing that 3 times 7 is 21 and then ending up with 0. Or I can continue with my friendly numbers. I can't do times 10 anymore because 30 is going to be bigger than 21, but I can do times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and I subtract. And now I have 6. All right, I can't do times 5, but I can do 3 times 2, and that's 6, and I end up with 0. Now to actually find what my quotient is, my answer, I'm gonna add how many times I had to subtract 3. So the first time I subtracted 3 10 times. Second time I subtracted 3 another 10 times. That's 20. And then I subtracted 3 another 5 times. 25, and I subtracted 3 another 2 times. Now I'm at 27. Your answer goes on top of the house. All right, the last step that we do to check our work is to multiply these two numbers and see if we get that number. Just like in subtraction, we could check our work with addition, we can check our division with addition. Sorry, our division with multiplication. So I'm going to do 3 times 27, and I want to get 81 as my answer. Set up my box. 3 goes on the outside, 20 plus 7 in expanded form. Draw a line down from my plus. First box is 3 times 20. Next box is 3 times 7. This one's 60. This one's 21. 60 plus 21 is 81. Yep, that's the right answer. So 81 divided by 3 is 27. I'm going to show you the same problem, but with a bigger number. Again, 492 goes in the house. Your divisor 4 goes outside. Draw the big 7 line down. Pick your friendly numbers. This time I can do 100. And now I have 92. All right, now I'm going to go to 10. All right, I can do 10 again. Again, I'm just doing repeated subtraction. And this time I'm going to show you how to finish the problem going away from these friendly numbers to just facts that I know. I know if I do 4 times 3, I'll get 12. And I can finish like that. Now add these numbers up. 100 plus 10, 110. 110 plus 10, 120. 120 plus 3, 123. And my answer is 123. I'm going to check that with multiplication. 4 times 123 should equal 492. My box set up. 4 goes here. 123 in expanded form. 4 times 100. 4 times 20. 4 times 3. Here I have 480 and 12. Add those up. 480 and 12. 492. Yep, that's what I started with. So my answer is 123.